Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and the first tangible step. Park the sidecar on level ground and set the parking brake. This stabilizes the mount so you can work steadily. Once done, put on gloves and remove the mirror cover or trim. You then use a 10 mm wrench to break loose the mounting nut while supporting the mirror by hand. Do this to prevent the mirror from falling and damaging the glass or threads. You now remove the mirror and inspect the hardware closely. Carefully take off the nut, washers, and any spacer while keeping the mirror supported to avoid twisting the stock. Once removed, examine the stud and threads for cross-threading, corrosion, or stripped sections because the fix depends on that diagnosis. Clean the mounting area with a brush and solvent. Make sure replacement parts match shape and length, and you finish by reinstalling and securing the mirror correctly. Apply medium-strength thread locker to the bolt threads to prevent loosening from vibration, then hand start the nut and torque to the manufacturer's spec or snug until firm. Avoid over-torquing, which can strip threads. Once tightened, set the mirror angle for visibility and take a short test ride to check for movement. If the mirror shakes or shifts, stop, retighten, or replace worn studs. That single recheck usually solves residual issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.